Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a maintenance y'all, which I'm so excited about because I've had these are my birthday set. I've had it on for about 2 weeks. You see the growth, and I'm just so ready for my new set, y'all. I feel like I'm gonna like it way better than this because my birthday set had to be certain colors, but I finally get to just do my nails like how I want. But yeah, this is a maintenance because I'm literally leaving in a couple days with my friends. We're going out of town for this event. We're gonna turn up. Let's get into it. Okay, so I only did like 2 thin layers for when I did this glue, which is why it's lifting. I normally do like 3 or 4 layers if I'm planning on wearing my wig for like 3 weeks. Oh shit. Y'all, one thing I hate about having a dog is that hair be everywhere, y'all. Especially if you have a dog and have lash extensions, y'all know the struggle. Dang. I thought 2 layers wasn't gonna make it this sturdy. Like, what the heck? Because I know the front part, I've been tugging on it to get it to lift a little, but these sides is not playing with me. Y'all, we have a problem. Tell me why I forgot I had this style in my hair. So now I have to take these little ass braids out of my hair before I can even wash it. And it's gonna take, I feel like it's gonna take hopefully 40 minutes. I'm not gonna do it on camera though. I'm gonna get my grandma to help me so it goes by faster because these braids are so small that I'm gonna have to like comb them out first to start. This is exactly why for my next style I'm doing bigger parts because no. Okay guys, so I just got the stuff out of my hair. I put some conditioner on my edges and I had it sitting and I was picking out the glue, so I didn't do that on camera. So yeah, this is just conditioner. So as you can see, it's literally already trying to curl my hair up. But yeah, so I don't have enough time to take a shower and wash my hair, so I'm going to do it when I'm done with lashes. Okay guys, so I finally finished my client's lashes, which they turned out amazing, by the way. But yeah, so I'm about to wash my hair, but before I wash my hair, I'm gonna cut my nails down. Honestly, I feel like I should soak them off. That way, when I get done with my hair, I can low-key do my nail application, but I do want to do a lash fill. So, but I don't know. I feel like I can do my lash fill in between my appointments. So I'm low-key probably gonna start my nails. Okay guys, so I blow dried my hair. As you can see, I just made me some tacos. So when I get done with my tacos, I'm gonna try and get into my hair because I really don't want to be doing it all night. So yeah, but I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that, you know, hair is done, fresh and clean, and purr. Next day, and the hair, I styled it kinda. I think this is probably how I'm gonna wear it the first day, maybe. I don't know. And y'all, tell me why I literally had just went out because I lost my card and I had to get like some temporary ones until my new ones come in because I'm going out of town. And y'all, tell me why, like I was already getting compliments on my hair. I got 2 compliments by one of the girl workers there. So her, I'm gonna have you guys in time lapse while I do my nails. And yeah. $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock. Okay guys, so as you saw, I finished my nails and I cleaned up my area. These are the nails. And I don't know, since I literally did pink last time, that's why I decided to do green on these 2 and do pink for like the like aura looking. And I think it's cute. It's giving. Yeah, I missed my square nails. I missed my square nails, and I feel like I hope this is a good length because my last set was really short. So hopefully my nails don't break. I try to do them somewhat thick but make them look slim at the same time. But yeah, so I have another client and then after that I have one more, and hopefully I can start my lash fill because I'm thinking about adding some color. But yeah, okay guys, and ooh, I need to take this back in my bonnet. Anyways, the nails are growing on me, y'all. I love them. I feel like I also like that they're just bright too, and eye grabbing. Also, it low-key matches both of my swimsuits I'm wearing. So yeah, and my package came on time for my event, so I'm happy about that. Also, I had found my nose rings that I lost a whole week ago. They were like basically kind of under my bed, so I'm assuming they fell off my bed, but all I care about is the butterfly and the cross one. Since I have butterfly locks, I am worried about it getting stuck, but I think I'm just gonna carry the extra ones on me in my bag just in case. But I mean, they haven't been getting stuck to the one I have now, but this is an L shape, but it's already been like pissing me off. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wear the cross one because it's more noticeable. And yeah, right now I'm drinking some strawberry lemonade soda, and I'm about to go and take me some cranberry pills. But I came to tune in because I'm about to start my toes. I was gonna do my lashes, but I really don't feel like doing my lashes right now. So I'm gonna do my lash fill tomorrow, and that's basically gonna be like the only thing I have to do, and I'm so excited. Also, I do need to do my brows actually. I think I'm just gonna pluck them because I'm thinking about doing a thin little layer of concealer maybe to brighten them for a makeup look, or yeah, I'm probably just gonna pluck them. But yeah, I'm gonna pluck them after I do my lashes because tomorrow is my last day and then I'm leaving tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. Anyways, I got white toes now. I lost both of my pinkies on both of my toes, which I'm so mad about. But I'm gonna learn my lesson. Like when it comes to my pinky toes, I can't make the acrylic too big or it's gonna easily come off. I have to make it small to where it like perfectly fits. So yeah, but I'm gonna try and set up my camera to where you guys can like see me doing my toes, because I usually just have my phone propped up to where you guys really can't see nothing. So I'm gonna move my tripod and see if y'all get a better view. And then yeah, tomorrow I really low-key want to add color to the end of my lashes. I'm thinking about adding whiter blonde, but now that I think about it, I can't find none of my color palettes, and that's actually not good because I need them for if people book color sets for their lashes. But considering that I always do my lashes at my nail desk. I really hope I just put them in my nail desk space. But anyway, let's get started with these toes.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say.
So my toes are done. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. At first, like, I wasn't feeling it. Like, I was like, okay, maybe I should just stick to the white French, but I feel like it all came together and it looks really cute. But I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, and if I turn the camera, I feel like they look even better. So this head's looking. But yeah, toes are cute. The picture I saw, the bows were light pink. I decided to do hot pink so it could match my nails. Also because it had like a tad bit of white. So I was like, ooh, the French tip are gonna look perfect. But yeah, so I'll tune in tomorrow when I start my lash fill, which will probably be after like my 4th client. But I'm just happy that my lashes are like the last thing I need to do. Okay guys, so next morning I just finished a nail appointment, and now it's time to do my lashes, and I'm excited because this is the last thing. Next time I tune in, I'm gonna be doing my lashes.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm pretty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you think.
So lashes are full. They're still drying though, if I'm being honest, because I just put like the bonder on. But I added in some white. You can barely see it. Like, you gotta like really be looking to see it. But it's giving. So yeah, y'all, I did the hair, the edges, okay, make it come together. Also, I didn't even get it on camera, but I did do my brows, which is why this one is a little too like, I honestly think I just need to brush up and cut it. But yeah, I went too far down, like right there. So if anything, I might go in with like some black conceal, some black like powder or something, and fill it in. And yeah, but I'm feeling like the hair, it's definitely giving. And yeah, pretty much it for the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Yeah, bye.